Hello friends, today's topic 14 stocks giving good dividends for the last 10 years. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Most companies pay dividends every year. Some pay a higher dividend, some reinvest most of the profits back into the business and pay out a smaller portion as dividend. As per analysts, companies with the higher dividend payouts could be popular in 2025 due to uncertainty of the stock market direction. Analysts may be looking for companies with a strong track record of paying dividends. Many companies have a high dividend yield. Dividend yield is the dividend paid by the company divided by the stock price. Usually, it is 1 to 1.5% for most of the companies. However, for some companies, it could be 3 to 6% too. When the stock market performance is dull, dividend provides decent income for investors, especially when the investors need some regular cash flow. The following are some companies that have paid more high dividends consistently over the last 10 years. High and consistent dividend paying companies. Number 1, Vedanta dividend percentage last 1 year 2950%, dividend last 10 years percentage 25,650, 1 year stock returns 72%. 2. Stoic Industries dividend last 1 year percentage 1440, dividend last 10 years percentage 5265, 1 year stock returns 23%. 3. Balmer Lorry Investment dividend percentage last 1 year 380, 10 years 2764% and 1 year stock returns 46%. 4. VST Industries dividend percent last 1 year 1500%, dividend percentage last 10 years 10,445%, 1 year stock returns minus 9%. 5. Castrol India dividend percentage last 1 year 150%, 10 years 1400%, 1 year stock returns 4%. 6. ICICI Securities dividend percent last 1 year 580%, 10 years 3075%, 1 year stock returns 19%. 7. Swaraj Engines dividend percent last 1 year 950%, dividend in the last 10 years percentage 5850%, 1 year stock price returns 23%. 8. Rights dividend percent last 1 year 180% and 10 years 1265%, 1 year stock returns 16%. 9. Rane Break dividend last 1 year 300%, dividend percentage last 10 years 1800%, 1 year stock returns 8%. 10. REC dividend percent last 1 year 160%, 10 years 1252% and 1 year stock returns 19%. 11. Vidal Corporation dividend percent last 1 year 2600%, 10 years 35,650%, 1 year stock returns 18%. 12. Gulf Oil Lubricants dividend percent last 1 year 1800%, 10 years 6,950%, 1 year stock returns 69%. 13. Redington dividend percentage last 1 year 310%, dividend last 10 years 2,450%, 1 year stock returns 13%. 14. Hindustan Zinc dividend percent last 1 year 650%, 10 years 11,695%, 1 year stock returns 40%. Some companies have a good record of paying high dividends, but their stock price may not have appreciated well over the long term and vice versa. Many times, when a promoter stake is high, some companies intentionally pay high dividends to benefit the promoters. Until a few years back, dividends were not taxed in the hands of investors, hence it was beneficial for investors to receive dividends. But now, dividends are taxed as per income tax slab and hence higher the dividend, higher the tax you will pay. For people such as senior citizens who need a regular income, high and consistently dividend paying companies are better than earning bank FD interest which gives around 7 to 7% per annum and is taxed up to 30% based on the income tax slab. However, for younger people who are earning regular income from their job, capital appreciation and compounding is more important than regular income. End of the video, here is the question. Approximately what may be your yearly dividend income from stocks? Type the amount in the comment section. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.